In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, launch your WhatsApp. You'll need to force close the app. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen. Find WhatsApp in the app switcher and swipe it off to completely close it. Now you can relaunch it. Your problem might be fixed. Next, clear cache for the WhatsApp. For that, launch settings, go to General. Now navigate to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and then reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is first restart your iPhone. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side or power button. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Release the button and let the device restart, and that's it. With this solution, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If it did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.